Pink color desserts. Pink drink. Yo! Let's drink together like LiLi. We should add popping candy. Okay. Wow! Peach popping candy. So great. 2, 3, yo! My juice is favorite flavor. It's strawberry. I can eat that. Delicious. Pink noodle balls. Yeah, it's mine. Look at that. Soft, sour, and spicy.
Give me a piece, Mimi.
No, just a moment. Mimi is too slow. Mimi, what's so cool over there? I can't see anything. So spicy. LiLi, did you do that? No, I do nothing. Pink eyeshadow. Pink lipstick. It's fragrant. Chocolate smell. Strawberry flavor. It's strawberry jelly. Oh, LiLi, your face. I will add pink lipstick to make my lips pinker. Mimi's lips are swollen. Pink marshmallow. Ooh. Mimi, let's play the game. Who arranges higher will win. Yeah. Let's go. 1. Sour candy is strange. It's so bad. Pink test tube candy. Pink nuggets. LiLi. It's chocolate spoon. Pink cone. Pink mirror. It's strawberry flavor. Chocolate. Delicious. Milk bottle race. Let's go. Yay! I'm a winner. Punishment for loser is syringe jelly. Bye.